Hello everyone, welcome to analytical classes. Today we are going to see the date functions, 15 plus functions we are going to discuss today. So starting the video with the today function. So today function returns the current date. So how to use it? Just say equals to and type today and the function will flash over here. You just have to close the parenthesis without any entry in it, without any data in it, and just press enter and you will get the today date. So I am recording this video on 29/4/2025, so it is giving me the date as this. Next, coming to the function called net work days. What it will do, it will return the number of work days between two dates excluding the holidays. So let's start. So we are having 1/4/2025 and 26/4/2025. So using the net work day function, start date is 1/4 and end date is 26/4. Then it is giving me an option of holidays. So let's use it without holidays for now, and closing the parenthesis, pressing enter, it is giving me 19 days. So if you want to count, you can count also. It is excluding the Saturdays, Sundays from it. According to the Excel, Monday to Friday is the working days. So it is giving me 19 working days between 1 April to 26 April. Next, coming to how to use the holiday data. So start date is 1/4, comma, the end date is 26/4, and now comes the holidays. So let's assume in our business 15/4/2025 and 24/2025 were the holidays. So taking them as the range, closing the parenthesis, it will give us 18. Since 15 was the Sunday, it is included in the Saturday, Sunday, so it is not deducting it separately. So it is giving me 18 net work days between 1 to 26 with 2 holidays. Next, coming to work days, it will return the date before or after a specified number of work days. So let's assume we are having our date as 26/4/2025 and we want to get a date which will fall after 5 working days, okay, and in between this is the holiday. So here what we are trying to get is the 5th working day after 26th. So closing the parenthesis, we will get 5/5/2025 will be the next 5th working day. So next, coming to the week num function, it is returning the week number in a year. So in this case, let's assume the date is 26/4/2025. Now we want to know in which week number it is falling. So using the week num function, serial number, comma, return type. So this is giving you the option that your week starts from which day. So 1 is for Monday, Sunday, 2 is for Monday, 11 is for Monday. So in this way you can select. So let's assume my week starts with Monday. So it is giving me the 17th week. The 26/4/2025 fall in the 17th week of the year. Next, coming to weekday, it will return the day of the week as a number. Means it will give you the day name. So let's check it. Serial number and return type. So number 1 through 7 Saturday, number 1 Monday through 7 Sundays. So it is giving you option that number 1 is Sunday and 7th day is Saturday. So on which day you are starting the week? So let's assume I am starting my week from Monday. So I am selecting this one and pressing enter. Sorry, weekday, serial number, comma. So it is giving me the options that from which day your week is starting. It is asking from the user only that if it is starting from Sunday, then select this one, and if it is Monday, select 2. So let's assume my week starts from Monday. So I am giving 2 as the entry and pressing enter, and it is giving me 26 as the 6th day. Since 27 is the Sunday, so 7th is the Sunday, and Saturday will be the 6th day of the week. Next, coming to our minutes, seconds. So let's assume we are having a date and a time, and we want to extract the hour from it. So it will just, you have to press enter and it will give you 20th hour. Likewise, minute, you just have to give the serial number, it will give you 48th minute. Now, since the second is not visible, but we can use it over here, and it will give you the 30th second. Since the data is stored in the cell, but due to the formatting it is not visible, so you can use it. Next, coming to day, month, year functions. So this is the date given, and we can extract the day from this date, 26. Likewise, we can use the month, it is the 4th, means April. Next, coming to year, it is giving us 2025. Next, coming to EO, month, it will return the last day of the month, that is a specified number of month before or after a given date. So let's assume we are having 26/4/2025 and we are using EO month. Now, serial date means this is the date from which we want 4 month after date, and that is also end of the month. So if we say 4 month and press enter, can you guess what will happen? It will add 4 in the month, means 4 plus 4 will be 8, means it is giving us the August date, and that also end of the month, means 31st August 2025, and this also work in backward setting using the minus sign. So let's coming to edate function, which is same as EO month function. So it returns the date, that is a specified number of month before or after a given date. Since it will not give you the end of the month date, but it will give you the exact date, but after or before the specified number of month. So let's check. This is the date and we want 1 month after. So can you guess what it will be? 26/5. Sorry, the formatting has to be changed. So it is 26/5/2025. So it is giving us the 1 month after date. Next, coming to now. So now is the same as today function. Today will give you the date and now will give you the current date with time. So you just have to write now with parenthesis and it will give you the current time. Date. Date function return you a date based on a year, month and day. So let's assume you want to create a date. So you have to give an year, let's assume 2024, month is 1 and day is 6, and it is 6/1/2024. So these were some date functions which are very useful in dealing with the date columns. So hope you find this video helpful. If so, do subscribe to the channel, and thank you so much for watching this video. Meet you in next video with a new topic.